Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of HTML programming. Hope you enjoy. Let's start. As I have told you before about HTML tag and head tag. So we are using HTML and head tag in this program. So HTML, we know that hypertext markup language. From this we can create a web page. So at first we have wrote HTML and head tag. These two are the container tag, and again body. So body style is background color is orange, and just we have used there again BR tag, that is which will break the line. Yes, that is BR tag, and we have closed that. We have used address tag for the address. Yes, and I have told you previously about the heading tag, that one h1 h2. So here we have used h1 tag and h2 tag for the headings, and here you are watching the hr tag. It means just it is to give a separation, any line horizontally, any line we can use hr tag to keep the line horizontally. And now again for the mathematical and science, suppose we have to write H2O, that is the chemical name of water. So we will use their SUB tag for H2O. So H, then again SUB sub tag, then we will go to, again you will use this tag and we will write O, then we will get output our H2O. Superscript and subscript are the two tag, SUB and SUP. So for mathematical and science expression we can use this tag. Suppose we have to write the x square y, then we can use their SUP tag for the square. And same way there is a anchor tag also, and harf, that is the attributes of its, which is used for linking. So in this program we have linked our program to the Google. So in output, if you click there, you will go to Google home. In this way there is used of different heading tag and paragraph tag. If you want to write something in paragraph, we can use P tag. So bottom tag, this is used for bottom. If we want to give some switch or bottom, we can understand like this. Suppose like bottom, then you can use this bottom tag. In this way there are paragraph tag again used. Yes, and there is a different heading tag are used in this. So for the simple information we have used that London is the capital of England. Yes, Paris is the capital of France. So in this class we have division class, there is cities, and we have written the capital cities of different countries, that are England, France and Japan respectively. So finally we have to end. So we are finally came to the end of the page. Hope you had enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, please hit this like button. And again, but with the help of body, head and HTML tag, you have to close this main container tags of HTML programming. And in previous video I have given you extension of HTML, how we can save the HTML programming. So if you have not watched the videos, please watch that previous video. You can get more information about HTML. If you are the beginners, you will be totally, it will help you for the HTML creating a web page. So now you can go to see the result of this particular program. Now we come to the result. So you can see here our result. So our title is there. Hi, welcome to my web page. Yes, like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe to these videos. And according to the program, we came to our output. Yes, so there is one line you are watching there, a straight line which is in white and gray color. So this is happened due to HR tag, and there is div tags is used here, and the name given of different cities of different countries are there. So again you can see there is click me to go to the Google. Main thing is that for hyperlinking we have used this, means when you click on this button you will directly go to the Google. So you can see here, so the particular program and Google is linked. Yes, if you open this program then you can directly go to the Google. And another one is their bottom tag, and we have used their like bottom. So these are the total programs output of our programs. So please like and share and subscribe the channel. So thank you for watching the videos, and the next part of these videos is coming soon.